Welcome to this VoxAid video, where we showcase a sample of the VoxAid voice commands available whilst using MindManager. Wake up. Edit this topic. Various parts of the human body. Press enter. Edit new topic. Major organs. Add subtopic. Edit topic. Brain, liver, kidneys, lungs, heart. Press enter. Split topic. Select the topic major organs. Collapse topic. Expand topic. Insert two topics. Move up. Move down. Edit this topic. Major muscles. Press enter. Edit previous topic. The nervous system. Press enter. Move topic down. Select the topic major muscles. Add two subtopics. Go left. Add boundary. Select the topic the nervous system. Add subtopic. Spinal nerves. Press enter. Convert to callout. Make this priority 1. Convert to topic. Go to central topic. Add note. Open dictation box. This is a quick demonstration showing how we can create mind maps by voice. Full stop. I am able to dictate application-specific terms that relate to the software I am currently working in. Full stop. Click Transfer. Hide note. Balance map. Fit map. Go to sleep. VoxAid adds over 1,500 bespoke voice commands for MindManager to your Dragon Professional application. Increase productivity by performing tasks quickly. Take advantage of VoxAid's advanced commands to perform tedious or repetitive tasks efficiently.